Ebzavo high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Amqua Edamede Bremo. Anuti someone subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click a subscribe button. Now wabele a notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a sa video. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fi share ma of frosuna when you be here now who and someone ekoso e Ghana memo hanum afi yenti a yes report here about to ya yenti a yes answer me yenti
Musa Captain Smart say the late form I say I came or chief accountant near friend wangu Musa Captain Smart say onim no but obehu dia me ba be ka no Captain Smart and my came asem so tana wangu tiase bra kwaku wangu akunta oni madansi ni nice wangu ni aba oni madansi ni plus me shaibula sisi Captain Smart kasam ana wangu friend but Captain Smart asema wo kan na cross se man kasa ka ba da friend ma misika ampa na wangu tam sika man Captain Smart gisika le pie koye enti na juma si ajuma si pa ye de command sem training bi a wonje no Captain Smart baji ano be ha na ni aka de say o ama wo be look bad terrible are you Captain Smart ye kase obi wani munya o kasa metia o to no sebi ahemfo bebre do asema kom so ensem twofo police o do asema ko bi na sebi sem producer media general phone omo station efe no Onua TV special on the morning no omo anya o ma so omo be serious business on say wo ye man ko TV3 no so da even Onua FM no omo ko fa serious guys we na abrefo mo na ya abrefo mo na ba betena so ano so Onua TV mo no so ne ye mfa nya hwe ye mpe enti akofo obi a sebi na adwemu ka no a obetima be didi mpeni fata be kan sem a eni Captain Smart betima hwe no nipa ni ma twantro what me track na ana eni je kofo na ye say ana we say official enyo no kore na Captain Smart who say you want to fight corruption yes those who call for equity must come with clean hands ne problem na fight the corruption wo Captain Smart ne Ghana super car prostitute na Captain Smart kan na Japan na wo kan asem na say Captain Smart seven previous me pete me use word say na adwenya adwuma na say wonwene wo say kan na Japan say okochi taxi yen check taxi driver why yi Captain Smart seven previous wo kra why yen sem twa adwuma na yi da wo TV so say more than wa show man more than wa say Captain Smart sebiu wo watra TV so ni radio so atuma ye adwuma ayeye na kende Japan na sebiu Captain Smart wo a na wo kasa wo take up wo be na police for any handcuff any bailiff aba be chew any cross way
say ombeji $800 million na ontnase men ko biemu enya nipa bi a odwen ebo krom ha mana amfre no but let me tell you I am not Ahmed Swale so woni ma me ka kire ho fantini bi hu cha igbeni asantini bi hu cha nsremuni me nya Ahmed Swale obi nka check in Japan I am not interested in any political party I don't give a damn to MPP I don't give a damn to the NDC $800 million so we are doing Canada Japan station think
Jackson Fimpo ko duane adansini busa ne se ya amfa dwanto ama be sini so nka Canada Japan on step ne eka abobi o eduama no kwa hemfo mo di dwato akosi omo so se omo nka che Japan se on step down ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bo so wonye because na kan se won na Ghana for pedo omo ye asode coin omo jomo punishment ene Dr. 38.2 Baumias FM 38.2 Captain Smart of Onua TV akofa honorable Kennedy Kwame Akumpeko Japan video bia eye proud to the November 4th and the super delegates about the born Onua TV so no we no wakeka ensem be e dey fa video no ho aka nsema eni kwan se e kan e dey fa honorable Ken ho na ebusa Captain Smart say video we ene no ba behu ana ene na wo share video no adenti ana one discuss video no some days some months back ane ana oba be discuss and some way Afrobe kanwa ene anopa wi anwumre me de ba be som se akwansem na mpanin se akwansosem ne de enti na otinte segu ensuere na aboa kawa ade amika tente aba be fa na wa ahwe me kan se mi a chew se wa do Kende Japan wa wo ya de Kende Japan se ye mo no le kan I both MPP and NDC. E say omo say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bo me call contest wa lusu poto. Na and nam say ebeka some few months now Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia on the President Kufuor eyaka uhuam so no mo kasa eyani so because President Kufuor feel say one of Bawumia bae Bawumia so feel say so adwuma no apprentice wahu wade no party ba benedia and the President Kufuor advice na emfa President A2 no sabi no posa ne baby it got to a point na no form penny na nado nya hwe ana omari puto anti omo feel say ken na chitafo omo feel say o e shall obi a second ana omo hye manfo chi say they should destroy Ken. But let me be honest with you. Second in Japan, say destroy my money ya and can you say the old captain smart. And the NDC side also added by becoming him say after John Dramani Mahama, either a Sirun Ketia or Julius Debra, and as any other candidate. Any other candidate be our face on our Ken, Ghana for whom on our Ken. So the best thing they say, Yende sock in the Japan. Back a book their friend the gods are not to blame. Yes, say a colano or they were in the shepherd of the bar and say, Obekum or papa, no, our own man. So to avert this calamity, no, Yanko day, Yango Kuma Colano. Yet a crowd bonka score quiet moon, who are Kuma Colano. And to advert second in Japan, about MPB flag bearer, both the Bawumia camp and the NDC, no, they are not happy. Reason is say MPP delegates, who can the Japan who Bawumia and any other candidate, they will vote for Kende Japan. Another reason is whoever will merge as the NDC presidential candidate, no, Ghana for any pakro. No, who can the Japan or Matama Kende Japan. And Yanya de Yande Sock in the Japan. Anna Yande Sock in the Japan. Almost the a part any chinchini. Ubi to me was I can the Japan dear. I cannot do this. From here, Juma Waya, I cannot do that. But on him, maybe a barber church on maybe. But a more boomful. Just relax. We better quick up this my video. You have video.
Joke. Say, Ombeji $800 million. Now, on Tenassi, men Kobium. Yenya Nipebia or Jane Evo Kruba. Manam Freno. But let me tell you, I am not Ahmed Swale. So when you make catch it all, hey, Fantini be home who chai beni, na Santini be home who chai ceremony. Me Ahmed Swale, Obin can check the Japan. And to see one hour, who can feel one blow say po, Kabete pocket. So when you make catch of me, I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. $800 million. So we are working in the Japan station. Think. Also, what do you mean? I'm making $800 million. What's supposed to be in tracker? I branch here on them starting to pay. Kwekuanan. Name Janica. Where's the name Janica? Look for that video for me. $800 million. But video, mommy. Bo.
Oh, I'm saying, mommy, $500 million. Let me step down. For me, padu do approach me. Me see delegates any Ghana who don't. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, he should ask Mr.
Who offered that money?
It is
No. You see, Ghana for doing Brafier and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Can I report? Do I know? Who call America now? Treat taxi. Taxi driver ban a one America. Or what? A dime 150. Or Mississippi. Now from house of Yat, house of Yat, looking at the bound. Who is afraid? I'm Peter on him. No, smart girls. Hey, Ken, really? Me a big problem, my me be Safia. Corruption na wo krom ha. The enti amaye ntimi fighting.
Good abusafo. Sa video we. Honorable Ken on Time FM. And was say they've offered him $800 million. So step down. And was MPP delegates. No, for some MPP delegates who say, how can the Japan love them? Or Jenny Kwanya or Banu be a new mom. So he's not going for money. And assembly. And you know, I didn't know about Bayasem. Because a man for be a cotam sika. The pool be at the abone pa. Na Captain Simmons already. One of those sika. One of it my year, Juman, I'm a nephew. Back up this month. Let me be honest with you. Your poor be a mana criticize the Japan. Your poor be a mana consume of a Japan mana ya and your Captain Smart. Sebi abo preku. So me catch a miss I will say who fear any quarter yemia. Sabo preku e shaibla see catch a shaibu who fear me and yemia. Or say can the Japan you for in Jomoka. Captain Smart, me journey Ash FM 2009. Ebesin ne mekatria enka muda. Se tram ka one sidia mani so. Ebeye me mani so be ma ho say I will live on me one city no than say me kwa akodi skata me kwa akodi store obi. Let me be honest with you. And Captain Smart onam ho no. Wo ye ka credibility a. How credible you are? How credible are you? Captain Smart, you can't so be when you munyam or casametia. Oh, to one, Sebi, I am from Below to Asama Comoso. And some truffle, police, Odo Asama Kubina, Sebi, some previous. Media general phone. Almost station FM Unia TV, special on the morning. Almost for my young Mike, some of the serious business. Also, your mom called TV 3 so that. Or even Onia FM, or make of a serious guys when an abre from an abre from an abatenaso. And also, Onia TV Monshone, Yam Fanya She Yam Pet, and Tiago be a sebi. Now Jimu Cano. I'll make my baby dimping, for the back can sema any can't smell bet my shed no nippenny chantro. Let me talk of it, and any jack for the year say, and anyway say, or feature any no cre. Now, Captain Samati, what say? You want to fight corruption. Yes, those who call for equity must come with clean hands. Near problem and fight the corruption. Woke up in the mat. In a Ghana super prostitute. Ye pobi. I'm gonna fight corruption. I bought man, I'm gonna fight corruption. Woke up this mat. Captain Smart, let me be honest with you. Make minimum. Musa Captain Smart say the late form I say I came. Or chief accountant near friend Wangu. Musa Captain Smart onim no but obehu dia me ba be ka che no Captain Smart e ma came asem so ta na Wangu ti ase bra kwaku Wangu akonta oni madansi ni nice Wangu ni aba oni madansi ni plus me shai bla sisi Captain Smart kasam ana Wangu friend but Captain Smart asem wo kan na cross se man kasa ka be da from ma misika ampa na Wangu tam sika man Captain Smart gisika pie koye enti na adwuma se ahihye adwuma se pa ye de command sem training bi a wonje no Captain Smart baji ano be ha na ni aka de se o ama wo be look bad na Captain Smart kan na Japan na wo kan asem na on se Captain Smart se preduasa me pete me use word said na adwenya adwuma na se wonwene wo se kan na Japan se Okuchi taxi, yanche taxi driver. Why ye? Captain Smart. Seven preduasa. Okra why and sem trejumana ye. Down to TV so, some more than was showman, more than was it. Captain Smart. Sebu. Wo. What TV so ni radio so. I to my ye juma a ye. Back in the Japan. Ye Musa Ghana for. And no more yes, Cafone said. Ebi call America, ebi call Germany, ebi call the vote, ebi call pride. we cleaners and on board was cano ebeye and to a catch ourselves. Na me ye cleaner na my ya. I don't know. We are surprised. Sabi or say Kwame Despa me bo near castle. Yes, it wasn't to a cassette. But you'll be a talk cassette away you. Yes, it wasn't to a cassette. Obiano kwa nyango podcast person of us with Shiano. So you're surprised that in Japan, a quack with you taxi. Abe the last time I'm already because I was say any park in the Japan through American lottery. What do Makwa America? About 20,000. They are prepared so on the Babontin about be different in the Japan. And to a surprise, say, can the Japan a could taxi? Aye. Now we are surprised, say. Obi echo started as cleaner ababe even obi crampono like said what that doppler premu and no season mansions the Canada Ponti Abrabon what Abrabonasi na said Captain Smati wa now Kasa will take care for we na police for any handcuff any bailiff ababecho and the crossway Canada Japan that ben artist say police airshano so do be car akwaza obi da ento ayi amane nye oma sebi ose kwa amede so me bo nia ka asem watonto cassette and obi da be na ate say police ni bi say ose kwa amede despite akol ko do bi label ato de wa mani pa ko ni sika na eno ose kwa amede despite so wa page presenters bebri enti won say obi aton cassette ayi kabresman oi and some trouble kwa na okwa ye nsa no ade anyi ati ato so wonti ase Captain and I'm saying wa brabo enye clean ti no ofi se opia te se wo se ke de Japan JFK Jackson Fimpo ko dio na dansini busa ne se ya mfa dwato ama besi ni so on kan ja ke Japan on step down ne e ka abo bi o eduama no kwa hemfo mo di dwato akosi omo so se omo ka che kere Japan se on step down ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia waso wonye because na ken se won na Ghana for pedo omo ye asode coin omo jomo punishment any Dr. 38.2 Bawumia's FM 38.2 now wa koye sa pawi seb anano me de na mo de ato TV ni so because check ya Captain Smart issue ya and go through and what evening so anti second Japan so am for kwan pass no nya sika any bi na abaje air condition when tua kam ndu say sika fin wadi bi was this want to be president and Captain Smart o to sebi o papa o bunu sebi o kende Japan ma ya kwa kende Japan fa yo tua ya kam obia no wa wadi quarter trentwe se wakobu e mafa so wakoje manfo sika dike wo Captain Smart se o papa bobra etimi hwe uye even etufu ya ye to sebi papa oni bi mama oni bi ba na mafutuo pam papa tu mefo ene mama de mama ntuno me ba kumase mamu obi ada me konka mamu obi ada ba na me se wo ye a wayward child na papa no mama sebi o manti man tu fu panti no wo soro ko bu oba we ko bu bema we na wo je manfo sika ewi eche court Captain Smart onim court case awo Captain Smart ye kase ye kan you count them and a court case when get be a Captain Smart akọ obi asem a defamation be a civil case Captain Smart ko bu obi afaso criminal cases I say hukum am ka be so onua TV media je o ma fa say onua TV morning show no mu di concept enye serious program as a county me ko for obi asem anya no kre na mfa mane ma metra so na wo person you want to run the persons down na a time come Captain Smart tama NGTV for you wedi wo ye se wo kwa be Smart TV etimi gina the tell so say wo no na wo buka tani e te say one of peni wa ba be yadwuma akura be no be fa say wo ne yadwuma o kumas o mo no mo produce bia sami kemu alesin kaso uri o nya for ya because Captain Smart sika samunye se Captain Smart mo no show host waji sika o se me ma producer bi debi obedi na enne nyame abo okwa kodu nkan ho a wo the moral right say obekeka kansem a ehu hia e di afa also kotie call ma na fa bebra na bottom line say Captain Smart American asemi onye nipa bi also obi aso so na eye pa and both the NDC and the MPP for abon pa. And I'm so you'll be a doctor in Japan. Just develop a thick skin because I know because Ken is a potential president. And let me be honest with you. And you can ni soon the buy no sani pe. Donald Trump there 1 year. America for free say one. I know bet you book mine. One no ba the America for you ma be pija ma America for you ma de aye. And yes sabi. Obi a Mr. Nice Man. Mr. Nice Man, the party man, the party the biggest humiliation about MPP mu, Dr. Baumia. Now, Momoshi say Onechi, and Kuku Kenufi. Sadi we. I say what to bo abo osno atas and cano. And we just and I can't Japan, Memenya Ameswali. Ono so about it. To pack up now, share before. To pack up na be share before obi an sisi mo den oba be shia Ken wanya you and Ken will not respond to sabi and so mu at TV so yero now said why na uni na tem why na unka sentia no na say President Kufuor kra Ghana fo ato ababa utimi di na tem a Ken Japan Ghana fo nto ababa no na Captain Smart say what so person of man enko nanim a what did a new mark in Japan will be? I'm a Ghana for your be. Captain Smart. Can the Japan your buy house sector on? Oko asim for sure. When you go to a scato was a free maternal care. Oko wa for ba for who fee. Time teacher also donate plant. We see Kaidu and Dance Center at the amount 37 for. Confirmation on call department. $147,000 hospital beds, hospital matter and come as a Captain Smart. What the Ghana for a yard for dini? Equa brute say, oh, the Geniama, Abe Dunitama hospital. Just go and pull the stories. Source now. Who could donate your moyen? Just pull the stories and come and show it to us. Oh, the Jan now the baby you feel. Oh, the Jan can wait. And you are the moral right. As someone I may catch him and say. And near my Captain Smart, the oye, and some more cano. Mamma, and your Captain Smart, you can't send train would Timmy Quaji pa, Quaji Sika, so be good be Captain Smart, number 1. Now, Seb said, Pedro, I say, Unim Captain Smart, no Nimno. Captain Smart, Kwani Ubia, and so for be a couple chubi, Yakwa sign will be on, say, on me, Yajumoha. Fox FM signing Captain Smart. Nisika. I'm going to treat you and I can't phone a man because not a Juma per Captain Smart. Now, Seba Captain Smart Benyan assuming Jay Juma man. Get to could treat you and waka a man. Who's that Captain Smart say? Oh, Kumasiasino. Say no, she living life. Captain Smart could be your opportunity, Captain Smart. Guess or bar, what Bob Bra. Etsy baby. Na Captain Smart kwa kushime finu kunchen. And that's what you ma to awo ye no. Papa bia bachi bi so ba ba su se ne yere. Ai on ne yere wedding pictures. Captain Smart ehunu mobo age no. Na wo sa wo ye sa niam we nyina wie. Ebe ma ono aboken so na ba bi su ebe kansem. Captain Smart, please. Baby onam. Emwa. Odiri mu die se wo se ana Canada Japan ontua na dwuma efoka. Kene Japan entwe adwuma efoka ana sabi ya jimi ya so ati adwuma na adwuma ya adwuma ema no obi akofa 1 billion adi o Kene Japan adwuma Kene Japan for musuoko se Kene Japan opa media general ho no kona kofa even 500 million di se be yere mo atena ho a nipa won twa adwuma efoka da se ba je jam na of wuntumi ekotam 1 billion di what for musuoko kofa adwuma sika 100,000 oh media general di so ade abeche wo ha nipa won twa adwuma foka obi aka tua so no wo Captain Smart wo na free cancel media ba se na ka tua anso ntima nisika na wo sika so odi wo sika so odi ana ma je se Captain Smart so da ana wo den enam Captain Smart e dey na betima ye enti ade a wo mu nya se me kan me se oyo obi adoke na Japan a sa na ma wi ehu and obi obetimi sem training a wo mu no ho wonya credible one phone nim guasia ho Captain Smart na presenter part me etiti radio so kasa ho Tech FM obo na approach for e de handcuff abase Captain Smart anko kan obi asemu wakobu obi afaso we ene TV na abafu radio na abafu and about na me say media general onia TV morning show ni de omumfa na say serious program until you call ko tietie mu sa ko yes because you cannot go and do this one on TV3 multimedia everything of Captain Smart or call baby or say or work under instructions near unity a call multimedia one check or ba engine bubu and oba TV3 because media general no say unia TV more than India yempe kwana koye de obeye woso ana wode aye say wode broke deals okwa mamisika mekwa kodidi we atem na make man say me ana onya ke Japan say dey ono be ode one also be ode ke Japan in the only person what ma fight anas and anas onye obia I was say ke Japan so do ba the trapo what to mad na o da bi o obi do ba the trapo wide say me nipa waji atuma kwaje oba war for fini cruise e ma ni kura ba bonta ba video su no obi do ba trap all day obi ko for oba ba trap o Captain Smart na me sha ibula si me ko for oba say me dey ba trap o ana ken na ko for oba to ba trap o na one point no wa make us one point no ya set ya video ma wodam na won say wodam wonim say wodam video nim who names all the fidim no officer Mahama ba no and come me fo no so na de ndie ana amfa no ye ana me som Ghana wo Captain Smart esom Ghana say me pese me boa fight corruption Ghana now is more corrupt than Captain Smart. Look at someone who is talking about corruption, Captain Smart. Now okay corruption wa no kwanchia who is corrupt than who Captain Smart. More Kumasi stores a month for us obviously or develop how I dear Chimuko Panko Giska and no one no Captain Smart say me you I don't know how to say and I want to feel me who seek out general media general there was a bit my sister fear now a month for some kika a boom man for fast guess a Captain Smart and shall bow Wosika. Hey, what do we call Drosus here? I'm only couldn't tell my bassa. What be do see can run with Jow? Oh, by Christian University. Results are the buy, and who buy semi warrior school in Adao. Christian University, and my own machine, when I do music, I won't say no. Na Captain Smart to where am I? Now fucking the Japan. Master Captain Smart. So also to Ghana. Obia men kind of Japan e bone amenku but obia what the bottom because me see $6 million facility they are chow mine Ghana mabuni ko car Lebanon $400,000 Captain Smart what me even $1 Captain Smart chemo oba wo Captain Smart wo se why na papa wo train school fees a chena wo na anda so oba we tie me my papa free oba no what in the case aba ne ho omobo Matimatia 3,000 mana, one the money be bidder. When I trade the section, who Captain Smart? Why? And I trade the section, who Captain Smart? Sorry, and some money. Now, said the old Ghana check in the Japan. So, claim so Ghana, can the Japan stock a castle to my body, to Namu ko Ghana. Now, you Captain Smart. And no one maybe now say, over supporting in the Japan because he's the only man with intent to with my boy. I didn't understand because ya Mosika. Sika ye did cash will be fire campaign. Now $461 million was so one and was penny kakra. Would be called the next primaries. And what be the abase father sock in the Japan. But Ken, you're son. So who take in the Japan by a beautiful baby dry. Obey work woo. Your best son and Casen. And you can the Japan so and Yamisha and a move can the Japan. Can the Japan. Uncle dear Drew. Uncle Jessica Drew. Back up the smart 7 year name sebi. What it is to castle him answer. So when it went to taxi, aye. Obiaton ask what I see about sign. Nyango po make my case o shaibu. Me pese me do fast accounts of the e pejao. Obi nyango po say o to cassette ni peja no. Nyango po say we koye we ni pejao. Enti manya o ma say kene Japan ko twi taxi ye. Na Ghana fo a omo kwa broche kunye sika ba Ghana ma bra adiye no. Ebi ko clean koye cleaners. Ebi koye truck drivers. Ebi ko parking niama. Benyame abo metwa bo bo sika ba be invest Ghana eyi. Na say be say brother Captain o kwa so why radio eyi. Wo Captain Smart. Wo say why radio ayi. Wa fe phone sem 12 morning show host. Da be na say sebi. Ai sefa kan. Ye twena bo so court da. Da be say kwa medinkra ye twena bo so. Da be say kwa me kuma tikese o wiaje. Ye nija court so ko bu ye fasara. Ba ko ye sa nyema we ye nti fi say obi a we ye bia na fa wo kwan no so ba let me be honest with you kede Japan obobra eten ente Yankopon da du ba bi odu
Yo, it for waiting and summer abeto yepno so make I say so we subscribe to channel idea abomodi say obe subscribe now fi we like video give us a thumbs up and share ma of so now when you be here sanse hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bravo also betimi a chere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e comment box ni mu mobati me nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.